Hello zombies. I don't know if I got that sound right, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been wanting to do this video for a really long time, and I'm finally gonna do it. I am going to try and follow a Glam and Gore body paint tutorial. I've always loved her. I remember when I first found her, I was like, who is this majestic human being? Like, oh, if you guys don't know who she is, I definitely recommend you guys go freaking watch her, because she taught me so much. She has taught me so much. It's Glam and Gore. I will put the link of her channel down below if you're interested. I say you should. She's really funny. And yeah, become part of the zombies. Name of her video is Tips for Learning How to Body Paint. Alex Party inspired look. If you don't know who Alex Party is, he's a crazy cool artist. Like, some of his pictures are or his art is insane. It's really cool. He has a really dope style. I actually started body painting, when was it? I think it was last year for sure, 2019. My first body paint ever was the Avengers like white space time travel suit. I will also put a picture somewhere up on the screen. And yeah, let's get started. So I will be using my Mayron Makeup 30 AQ Paradise palette. It's really beat up. Honestly, this is a great investment if you want to start like body painting. It's like $105 or $100, somewhere around that. And honestly, yeah, I really do recommend it. It's really fun to play with also. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I've pretty much used up all of my white. This is like my last pan, and I almost hit pan, so I'm like trying not to create a lot of looks that need white, so I have it longer. Let me go get my fluffy brushes because I just washed them last night, because, you know, acne prone. And I'll be right back.
Hello! So we've been doing a lot more intermediate or advanced looks lately, and I wanted to take it back down a notch this week to some of the foundational ideas. Like anything, it takes a lot of time and skill to master something, but just because you're not a master doesn't mean that you can't make something that is great or seemingly elaborate. For this video, I just decided to play around freely with paint as a way to share some of the things I found are helpful to experiment with when you're learning how to body paint. This is all about encouragement and problem-solving skills for the self-taught makeup artist.
It's because, as you can see, this video is a very sped up, because she's trying to, like, she's in the zone, and she's trying to just explain what the frick to do. So it's like a light blue. I'm gonna mix this light blue and, I don't know if you can see, it's like a really light blue, and then this like teal color, and mix those two a little bit. And she just puts it in the middle and all around. Oh, I might have put too much. Might have put too much. Go back and just take some of that blue on the brush.
First thing you should know is you do not necessarily need to be amazing at freehand drawing to be a body painter. Some of the best body painters might just be amazingly creative or bomb with really simple stencils and an airbrush. Being able to draw well certainly makes it a lot easier, and I would still recommend everyone spends time on that as well, but I don't think that you can't start body paint before you learn.
I'm barely on, I'm just on the same color, girl. Just give me a second. She puts a little bit of the blue on the lids. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh god. I'm also like running out of my blue too, so I'm trying. Oh god. That was so funny. Oh my goodness. Would it help if I did maybe if I did it like very lightly? I don't know. And now she's gonna go in with purple. I gotta put the purple down first before she goes to another color. So I'm gonna go in with purple. Oh, I think I did too much.
Can't start body paint before you've learned how to draw well. So my first tip, if that's the boat you're in, is to use reference pictures while you body paint. You can pick a real picture, another drawing, anything that you can visually study as you paint. I'm picking something very easy for this example.
Hold on. Mine's too opaque, and I do want to try and make that a little more sheer, because hers just looks really sheer. I mean, unless it's better that it looks more opaque, then I guess I'm doing a good job. But I want mine to look like hers, as good, as cool as possible. I don't know why my purple is looking like pink when I literally just dipped it in purple. But now she's going in with pink, so let me do that too. Same brush. And I've actually never touched this pink, maybe like once or twice, but there it is. And I think I'm gonna, can you see that? Okay, it looks like Selena's microphone when she's singing on it, and she has like her lipstick all over it. But I'm gonna take some of that pink away because that was way too much. And then she just goes ham. And now I took too much. Oh my gosh. Just. And as I'm doing this, I'm also doing a TikTok, so it's gonna take me like, I'm gonna be here for 3 hours. It's a possibility. So yeah, follow me on my TikTok, oh my god. Follow me on my TikTok at _ Vidya Castillo.
You should challenge yourself to move on to more complex shapes and objects. Alex Pardee is my favorite artist ever, so I'm using a mix of these two pictures specifically and his overall style as my inspiration. You can apply these tips though to any look you want with any colors, not just this one specifically. Okay, that was a long intro. So as you've seen, I'm starting off by just laying down a base of a bunch of colors. I like the face on this guy, so line-wise I'll be referencing that, but I like the colors and textures in this one, so I'm incorporating that as well. I'm using
add more pink to it because I kind of just lost that. Okay, and now it just looks like she's.
I know that sometimes Alex Pardee starts with just a basic color like this, so I'm kind of working off of that idea right now.
And then back with purple, back with pink, and then oh, she's starting line work. I gotta catch up to that. See, so this is right here, right there. And she put some pink right here. Let's just copy Mikey so she goes
out where my major lines are going to go. In this case, that's just a lot of wrinkles. I need to add the proper light and dark colors depending on where the lines are going to end up being, which is why I'm mapping it out first. You don't have to map it out this dark. You could use white or gray or a thin eyeliner, but I just went for the dark. I left my brows on at first because
aren't that visible, so therefore she has no need to block them out, but mine are not only half shaved, they are dark. It's, oh god. You see, it's not gonna work for me because like I said, my eyebrows are dark. Oh no.
I'm sure what I was going to be doing with them, but I don't think we're going to be needing these anymore. If you want to get rid of your brows, you can always block them out first, or you can do the white over the eyebrow trick, or you can just embrace them. Embrace your dark brows, make them part of the look, figure it out. Another reason to start with something like a pre-existing drawing like this is its abstract kind of cartoony nature gives you some leeway in experimenting as you get comfortable with drawing. If you're not going for complete photorealism, you can find your own style that doesn't need to follow a set of rules.
She did like 20 other things. I look insane. I think I did one too many. And of course,
some of the best art is extremely
I have a smaller forehead than
and
she does,
some of it is completely unbounded creativity, and neither is better than the other. I stopped to add white where the teeth would go before I did my rough outline.
Okay, slow down. Okay, what? I need to go back. She's losing me. I'm losing her. I'm losing her. She goes in. I'm frazzled. She goes in with black. Black. Okay. When did she do the jaw lines? Am I missing something? Did I not? What? What? They just magically appeared. Oh, that is not cool. You are supposed to tell me a step by step. Okay. This is slightly terrifying. She never showed how she got those side wrinkles. Maybe I wanted to copy exactly what she did, but she didn't give it to me. She didn't show me. That looks kind of cool. Please, baby girl, tell me what to do next.
Line of the teeth just to make it easier because sometimes filling in white near black can get a little messy. But the nice thing about water activated paints is you can pretty much put any color on top of any other color as long as you wait. For them to dry in between layers. If you use cream paints,
okay, I think this is the part where I can just kind of just go with it, because all she's doing is just doing lines, and I feel like this is the part where it's just gonna get easier, hopefully. So this is a mess. This is going better. Hopefully.
won't be able to do this, and you'll have a hell of a time keeping it off of everything that you touch, wear, or pretty much look at. Then I start filling in the colors to complement the outline. You can see from the reference drawing that Alex Pardee uses darker colors under the cheekbones to give it a sunken feel and lighter colors in areas that are meant to appear raised. This is also where using a reference picture is really helpful when you're teaching yourself, because it helps you learn placement, shape, and movement using both colors and lines to complete your look.
I didn't remember this part. Okay, so my camera randomly shut off on me, but basically what she's doing now is just completely outlining everything a lot better so it looks nice and crisp and clean and just adding more color. So I'm gonna go ahead and go do that and then curl my hair, and we'll be right back. I don't know why I did this, but